My name is Parminder. I'm from Punjab, India. I'm CNC Alumni. I work for IT services in CNC. I would recommend CNC to every single one who is willing to come to Canada for their education, because they have a very good educator faculty. They provide hands-on trainings. They provide a variety of courses here. They had PDIT, which is Post Diploma in Information Technology, which was totally relevant to my study and my experience in India. My instructor at CNC were very supportive. They are still very good with me. I'm doing some certifications right now. Whenever I need help, they are standby and they help me and they give me solutions. And they made learning process a lot easier and enjoyable. CNC provide all sorts of skills. I got some interpersonal skills. I learned customer service also here. It helped me on my job on daily basis. The atmosphere at CNC is very friendly and it's very welcoming. You can learn about diversity here. People from all over the world come here and study. They enjoy their culture and they share their culture with everyone. I feel very proud that I share my culture with other employees and students here. I make a lot of friends here at CNC while I was a student, as I'm still working at CNC, so I'm still making friends at CNC right now.